Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to clean all history in YouTube. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear all history on YouTube, go to your browser and browse youtube.com. On left pane, click on the menu icon here and you will find here history. Click on history and here on watch history page you will find an option clear all watch history. Just click on clear all watch history and then click on clear watch history and look, all watch history has been cleared on my YouTube. This is the easiest way to clear all watch history on YouTube. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.